Hey everybody, I am your host, Safety Officer Les Melsna, and this video is sponsored by our friends at Great River Harley-Davidson. What's interesting is MSF has come out with the do-it-yourself practice drills. The practice drills are designed to help riders develop and practice core riding skills. Whether you're returning to motorcycling or looking to reinforce techniques, this series offers tools to support ongoing practice and skill refinement. I'm going to put a link to all of their videos in the description down below. Today, we're going to check out the stopping do-it-yourself practice drill. Today, we're going to work on some straight line braking. We're going to come in at about 15 miles an hour. When we reach the first cone, we're going to start our braking and come to a gradual stop at the second cone. Some of the things to keep in mind while you do this is if you're practicing, do proper surface appraisal. Make sure that you're not on seal coat when it's wet like this was. I've been waiting for it to dry a little bit here. It's a little bit drier now. I'm still gonna take it easy on my turns, but ultimately, here's how we can practice good progressive squeeze braking. So come in, once again, at about 15 miles an hour. You can start slower if you want. When you reach the first cone, start to brake, come to a gradual stop near this front cone. As you continue to practice this exercise, what you can do is slowly increase your speed by a couple miles an hour each time, or hold the same speed, but then just progressively squeeze harder and harder. What you want is that weight transfer. You don't want to grab at the front brake. You want to squeeze the front brake. You're going to come through at 20, gradual stop near the front tire. Again, it's a progressive squeeze of that front brake. If you think of it like 1, 2, 3, don't go 1, 3. You want the weight to transfer forward. The weight transferring forward onto that front tire of the motorcycle gives us more traction, more ability to squeeze. So think of it as a progressive, smooth application of the front brake and a light press on the rear brake, but it's a 1, 2, 3. As the weight transfers forward, we can certainly squeeze harder because now we have the traction. In this parking lot setup, I have the two cones, the initial braking cone and the final stop position, about 3 parking spots from each other. And you can adjust that based on your speed. Progressive squeeze to a stop. All right, I'm gonna do one more run here as far as straight line braking. And again, you could do this for a while. Just get really good at front and rear brakes simultaneously without locking either wheel. If you lock the rear wheel, use less pressure next time. Front wheel, if you lock it, immediately release and reapply with less pressure. All right, I'm gonna do a nice progressive squeeze stop. I'm not worried about the second cone, only the first one. About 20, and squeeze, 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 squeeze even harder. With this surface, I did feel my ABS kick in a little bit. Again, if you don't have ABS, you certainly want to be aware of your surface conditions. I'm going to come through one more time. I said that was my last time with the brake. I'm going to do it one more time because I don't want to engage ABS. I want to get to my maximum braking given the surface I have without engaging ABS. Let's see if we can do it. Again, 20 miles an hour, progressively squeeze, 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 squeeze. There. See, I didn't stop at the cone, the last cone like I did a gradual stop. This was a little more progressive squeeze, was able to stop sooner, but this is something you can certainly practice and get better at. Certainly go to MSF's Do-It-Yourself Practice Drills page. Again, it's in the description, the link. There's additional tips, real rider examples to help better understand how each drill is set up and performed. We want you to gear up for every ride, and we want you to ride safe. See you next time.